Hi there, I'm Chris for Tippy Gaming, and today we're going to be taking a look at the tiger-loving King of the Apocalypse, King Ezekiel for the Walking Dead All-Out War by Mantic Games. So here we have the event-exclusive King Ezekiel model. So we have the Kingdom faction rules, and Ezekiel obviously part of the Kingdom. That's his card there, don't have a clue. The all-out war card of King Ezekiel, 2 melee, red shoot, and then a blue defense, 5 health, 56 points. Got leader ability, Royal Decree. Once per game, as a special action, Ezekiel may award +1 action to all friendly Kingdom fighters within 6 inches. Special rules, Kingly. When making a hold your nerve action, Ezekiel does not roll a shield. Instead, he immediately reduces the threat level by a blue dice result. So that's similar to what some of the older Rick cards have, which is quite handy. Protector of the Realm. Friendly Kingdom models within Ezekiel's kill zone may replace 1 die from their defense rolls with blue dice. Again, that's very handy to have in there, especially going up against like other factions, like calling the Saviors and things like that, where they've got quite a strong melee. And that's Ezekiel's card there. And I'll just filter out the Call to Arms equipment. Oh, we've got one Mantic point there. So we've got 3 Call to Arms, got Kingdom Armour, Sterling Mark 6, and a sword. We have another, well, these are your all-out war cards here. Okay, so we've got a horse, got a few of them now. Breastplate, armor, body, Kingdom only. Makeshift body armor, anyone can wear that. Another one, Sterling Mark 6, and a chain, bulky, adds a red dice to all ranged and melee attack rolls, and red to melee and defense rolls. We've got a couple of pieces in this one. So we've got some objective markers here with walker heads on spikes. Very nice, always fun to have. Then we have the king himself, and he's got his crazy walking stick sword thing, whatever it's called. It's got a weird name, I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it. And then we've got his arm with an AK sat there as well, just pointing out. Ooh, pretty cool. All resin, very nice resin. Mantic's resin pieces are really good, cannot fault them. I don't think I've had any issues with air bubbles or anything like that. I'm guessing these are pressure cast. And yeah, the quality of the resin, the level of detail that they've got on it, the resin is just insanely good. Highly recommend.